I got into BITS Pilani. हाँ, I know कि JEE season चल रहा है and I know a lot of you failing here and there. But इस साल a lot of you may get a chance to scream out loud. I got into BITS Pilani. I'm Shamrat Datto, who got into BITS Pilani as an MSc Bio major, but came out with a major in computer science and economics too. Not just that, but I was fortunate enough to have grabbed a placement way higher than the average IT Bombay computer science graduate. And this is me getting into BITS Pilani. This is me, this is me, this is me. और सबसे पहला सवाल जो तुम्हारे जहन में आ रहा होगा इस वक्त is कि what do you expect from a college, be it IIT or BITS Pilani? In fact, any tier 2 college also. Parties, clubs, open stages, a close-knit circle, a 10 CGPA, a 1 crore placement. Well, if I try to recall my freshers, well, I don't, because boy, I was not in my senses. Clubs, believe me, I got into like 6 clubs just because I was putting myself out there to find my circle. And women,
free ka intern mil gaya, free ka intern.
I will leave it at that. And you must be wondering how I am putting all this shit off in an engineering college in India. Well, thanks to BITS Pilani's build your own timetable thingy, I could choose my own timetable and do things at my pace. So there's no bunking or proxy or some shit like that. You just don't go to class if you don't want to. And where did I end up with that? I had forgotten my purpose. I had scraped my way into BITS Pilani through MSc Bio. One of the last people that year to get in. And here I was, flying away, somewhere distant, away from BITS CSE, away from a top placement. I wanted to change my branch from MSc Bio to MSc Economics and get a B in computer science at the end of first year. You see, I came from a tier 4 city in West Bengal, had no clue about the outside world, about engineering, about money, and that metropolitan mindset always evaded me. And to be thrown somewhere like BITS Pilani with great education and a great party scene, and that in Goa, सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा लगने लगा था. I started attending classes, I fixed my routine and I buckled down hard. It wasn't pretty. I didn't like to be in my room the entire time, attending classes when others went out chilling. मुझे भूलना था वो quota mindset that I was a JEE failure and that I couldn't do it. But no, this became a new rat race. A race to get a high CGPA, assignments, deadlines, reports, and the competitive high IQ kids at BITS Pilani. Yes, I was expecting professors to be entertaining and funny as like the coaching institutes. But no, lectures seemed very boring to me. No, don't get me wrong. Professors were great. The education system was modernized with free will to do your own stuff, like choosing your own courses and making your own timetable. But all those awaited me in the second year. And yes, I wanted to join every club department, photography, filmmaking, drama, TED, Kala, Abhyukti. And then I realized, भाई इतना time है कहाँ? Yes, I thought instantly friends बन जाएंगे जो lifetime साथ रहेंगे. फिर ZLMD की तरह मैं स्पेन में कहीं भंड मिलूंगा. But no, friends group बदलते गए. No one stuck through. The metropolitan mindset took everyone over. वो competitive attitude मेरा जान खाने लगा. कुछ लोग मतलबी होने लगे. Yes, सोचा था कैंपस गोवा में है तो अंधाधुंध पैसा उड़ाएंगे, घूमेंगे, पार्टी करेंगे. Then realized एक मिडिल क्लास कॉलेज के बच्चे के पास कितना ही पॉकेट मनी होता है. 1000, 2000. सोचा था आते ही एकदम कैरिज्मेटिक बन जाऊंगा, गर्लफ्रेंड बनाएंगे. बट इधर तो लोगों से बात करने में मेरी फट रही थी. सोचा था इतना एंगेजिंग सोशल लाइफ होगा कि घर की याद ही नहीं आएगा. लेकिन इधर तो हर दिन घर की याद, माँ का हाथ का खाना, पापा की डांट, एवरी फकिंग थिंग. यस, सोचा था एक बड़ा ग्रुप होगा, मेस में साथ में खाना खाएंगे. लेकिन इधर दिन रात अकेले बैठा रहता था. सोचा था कि एकदम से एक्सट्रोवर्ट बनूंगा, बट मैं अब उन 4 दीवारों में कैद होने लगा था. यस, सोचा था कि बढ़िया यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाऊंगा, सब देखेंगे एंड सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. लेकिन 87% व्यूअर्स तो देख के बस लौट जाते हैं. They don't subscribe. However, I do get a lot of you asking about my journey in freelancing and how I made the most of my time in BITS Pilani. For those folks, I have just launched a Discord server that talks about all of that. Link is in the description. So if you want to know how I turned around my college life later, just join. क्योंकि point ये नहीं है कि college life hard है, difficult है, but is that a middle class tier 4 mindset didn't know how to compensate, adjust and overcome the new things in this lifestyle. And mostly the fact that I got into BITS but without a computer science degree was getting to me. इसलिए जो गलतियां मैंने की है तुम ना करो. I have partnered with my BITS Pilani juniors at Foru Club. You see, we have not created just a test preparation platform but a whole guide. It's a platform built by BITSians for future BITSians, created by those who have been there, cracked that. Their comprehensive test series? Consider it your tactical training ground, curated to reflect the real exam, reveal your weak spots, and boost your accuracy under pressure. But there's more. You also get access to live mentorship sessions, one-on-one strategic deep dives with Bitsins who coach you, answer your doubts, and push you through your lowest moments. And now they've introduced the ultimate BitSat 2025 crash course, your complete prep arsenal. Recorded lectures in PCM, English and logical reasoning, led by pros who break down concepts and teach you how to crack the exam in real time. Each session runs 1 to 1.5 hours, combining core theory, problem solving and exam hacks. And of course, their famous 20 full mocks, unlimited attempts with detailed analysis, link in the description. And the best part, if you score 300 plus, they will refund you 100% of the fee because they don't want your money, they want you to be in BITS Pilani. But ये जो मेरे साथ हो रहा था, क्या इसमें बिट्स की कोई गलती थी? No, it was me all alone. You see, when you go leave your house for the first time, you think you belong to that household still. That one day you will go back, that one day you will be able to do everything you wanted in that home with every rupee you make. That you will be a child again, smiling after some mischief you did in that house. But the fact is, वो घर अब घर नहीं है, वो बस अब एक ढांचा है जिसमें शायद तुम कभी रहा करते थे. एंड ये एक नया रियलिटी है that will have to digest. This is the new life. These 4 walls of your room are just 4 walls and nothing more. It's your choice to make them freeing or constricting. And honestly, it took me a year to realize that. And हाँ, अब मेरे पास MSc Economics and Computer Science branch भी था. And if you want me to make a video on how I pushed myself daily for an insane 1 in 1000 people's branch change at BITS Pilani, comment down below and I'm here to help you out on that. I know what I felt during my first year and it's not necessary for you to go through the same. I know a lot of my friends had a different beginning and a different end. But do things get better? Were the rest of my college years the same or better or worse? Well, honestly, BITS Pilani is magic. And it gave me the most magical next 3 years I could have ever asked for.